guys, in this video we are going to talk about Mevbridge. Is it legit or just another scam? So I am in the crypto space and everything screams scam here in Mevbridge. So I've seen their affiliate rankings too and how it works. So if it's really this good, basically why it claims that it's bot is automated trading and it does it every time in every chain transaction and it's really efficient and timely. So why say my money now when they actually require you to pay and connect your wallet? And basically, why won't the bot do it itself if it's that efficient? So that raises a lot of questions. When you go to Trustpilot and go to Mevbridge right here, it's littered with five-star reviews with four of them on total only, making this really suspicious. And the others are just spam comments and just real, as you can see, just spam comments and trying to advertise random things. In Trust Score, it has a score of 1. So I just avoid this at all costs. So there's no reason to even join this. If you're enticed on how it works, you can just read it here. But I wouldn't even try to enter this because you can make money in crypto regardless of just investing in something like this. So this is deemed another scam and please stay safe.